Okay, so here we are at xNormal. I'm really just following steps that I learned in a tutorial. This is my first time using xNormal, but from what I understand, you go to high definition mesh, right click, add mesh. We'll add our super high. Low definition mesh, right click, add mesh, and we'll go to our low poly version. Scroll across to smooth normals, and we choose average normals. Then from here, we're going to go to Tools, Ray Distance Calculator, select our model, click Go, and wait for it to do its magic. I ran this earlier, and it never spit out the numbers I needed. I'm hoping it does this time. If not, I can't use xNormal. I'll get on their website and see if I can figure out what's going on. It might have been in the way I exported the model. I'm thinking of, because I exported the low poly from Max in mudbox format, and then as an OBJ, and then I went into mudbox, and when I created my high definition mesh and saved it out of mudbox, I saved it as an OBJ. So maybe there's a difference in the way the two models were saved. The only thing I can think of is going into Max, loading up my super high poly model, hopefully Max can handle it on this machine, and then export it out again in the same format I exported the low poly one in. But we'll see. I don't know. I haven't even read the manual on xNormal yet. I will eventually. Especially if this isn't working, because xNormal looks like a great program, and I actually want to extract the occlusion map and the regular bump map, height map from it. I want to extract a bunch of different maps and see what effects they have on my model. And that's about it. It's averaging, reading. Oh, calculate. Now it's doing a lot more stuff than it was before. I bet you that was the issue. Now it's generating nodes. Okay. I think I got it. I think I finally got it. So the two different models have to be exported in the same exact format, OBJ format, whether it be for Maya, Mudbox, Lightwave, whatever. You have to make sure your low and high polys are exported with the same settings. So here we go. It's computing. These numbers will probably change a little bit. The tutorial I saw said to let it run for at least 30 seconds, so that's what I'm going to do, and then we'll stop it and write down the numbers. We're up to 15 seconds. These numbers should stop generating every time it updates. It looks like they have, but I'll let it run for at least 30 seconds anyway. 30, nothing's changed. Oh, we got a change there, so let it run a little bit longer. And let's see, okay, it looks like the numbers might have stopped. Go to 50 seconds. Numbers are the same. We'll do it 5 more seconds, and if the numbers don't change, we'll stop it. 55 seconds. Okay, that looks good. Oh, what happened there? F max, R max. That changed quite a bit. Oh, maybe we should let it run a little longer. See what happens. 75 seconds, they're the same. I think maybe that should be good. 85 seconds. Okay, that should be good. 90 seconds, they're staying the same now. Let's click stop. And let's write down these numbers. So my front F max is the front rays is 7.050, and my rear max is 3.136. Okay, so we can close this. Now from tools, I have to go back to my low def poly mesh. My maximum rear ray distance is 3.136. Hit enter, and we'll go to maximum front ray. Where's my maximum front ray? Rear distance, frontal, here we go. And the number here was 7.050. Hit enter. It's still selected and visible. Okay, we plugged in the numbers. Now we go to baking options. We want to save it somewhere. Week 6, we'll do it here. We'll save it out as a TIFF. Zombie normal 1. I'm just going to put an XN at the end so I know where it came from. XN. Save. Edge padding 16. I don't really understand what that is. The guy in the tutorial used a 4. So I'll use a 4. What else was there? We're going to do a 1020 format. I do want to anti-aliasing, we're going to put up to 4. I want to do a normal. I want to do a height. I want to do an ambient occlusion. Actually, thickness, I think that's it, right? Direction, radiosity, normal. We'll do that too. Carry that. I think that's good. Let's see what these options are here. Huh. I don't really understand these yet. Auto normalize heights. Yeah. Ambient occlusion. Well, if you understand that stuff, definitely go in there and check that out. I really don't. And there's really no need to output all of these, but I will anyway. It's going to automatically tag on normal for this, height for this, ambient for each one that it creates. And I think the next step is just to click on Generate Matte. And then do not notify tile updates. We changed this to notify so that we could see it as it generates. We only have a minute, a little over a minute in this tutorial left. So hopefully it finishes in time. So we can see the results of the normal at least. Sorry, I didn't mean to do the corny Jeopardy theme music. Funny how television gets into our brains. I hope it doesn't do them all and then come back and start drawing them. I'd like to see it do it now. Do it now! Let me see. 7 seconds for the 9-minute warning. And now we have 1 minute till I gotta stop it. And hopefully we can see the updates. Otherwise, I'll just come back later and show you. Come on, come on, come on. Calculate gravity. Ooh, come on, come on, you can do it. 30 seconds left. No, this is going to take too long. Alright, I'm going to have to stop the video here and come back later.